Hey, I wanted to take this opportunity. I'm riding in the rain. I made a glove video, and I was talking about putting the jacket sleeve over the gauntlet of the glove to keep rain out, and I've exactly done the opposite here today, and I can feel a slight dampness trickling inside my glove. So to better and further explain my point, when you're riding, right, the arm is on kind of a decline, so the rain runs down the jacket inside the glove. So what I need to do is put the sleeve over the gauntlet of the glove. I just want to, and then on the Klim gear, the Gore-Tex gear, I think I need to rejuvenate my water resistance to this jacket. As you can see, the rain, the water isn't really beating on the jacket very well, to try and describe and explain that. And that's why the directions say on the garment to test for waterproofness after washing it. There's a good sign of waterproofness. You can see the water beating on the front of the jacket, indicating it is waterproof. So just wanted to share that. Take care.